Let's face it, parenting is messy. From sticky fingers to diaper blowouts, it's a non-stop cleaning adventure. Thankfully, we have an unsung hero, the baby wipe. These simple squares are essential for keeping babies clean and healthy. But have you ever wondered how these magical wipes are made? Let's take a trip to the baby wipe factory and find out. Just like any good recipe, baby wipes start with the right ingredients. These ingredients are carefully selected to ensure they are safe and effective for your baby's delicate skin. Each component plays a crucial role in making the wipes both functional and gentle. The star of the show is a soft, non-woven fabric. This fabric is the backbone of the wipe, providing the structure and durability needed to handle any mess. Think of it like a strong, flexible paper towel. Unlike regular paper towels, this non-woven fabric is designed to be much more resilient and less likely to tear. This fabric is designed to be gentle on delicate skin. It's soft to the touch, ensuring that it won't cause irritation or discomfort when used on your baby. Next comes water, purified and tested for safety. Water is the primary ingredient making up the majority of the liquid in baby wipes. It's essential that this water is free from impurities to keep your baby safe. Finally, we add a touch of mild cleansing agents. These agents help to clean effectively without being harsh. They are carefully chosen to ensure they are gentle enough for daily use. These are specially chosen to be gentle on a baby's skin. The combination of these ingredients ensures that baby wipes are both effective and safe, providing peace of mind for parents. The manufacturing process is like a well-choreographed dance, where precision and timing are everything. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality product. First, giant rolls of the non-woven fabric are fed into a machine. This fabric is specially chosen for its softness and durability, making it perfect for delicate skin. The fabric is moistened with the cleansing solution, ensuring each wipe is perfectly saturated. This solution is carefully formulated to be gentle yet effective, often containing soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile. Then the continuous sheet of fabric is cut into individual wipes. Precision cutting ensures that each wipe is the exact same size, ready for packaging. Throughout the process, quality control is key. Factory workers constantly monitor the production line, checking for any inconsistencies or defects. Samples are tested to ensure the right pH balance and to check for any irritants. This rigorous testing guarantees that each wipe is safe and gentle for use on a baby's sensitive skin. Wrapped and ready. Packaging for purity and convenience. Once the wipes are made, they're ready for their final outfits, the packaging. This step is crucial to ensure the wipes remain fresh and effective until they reach the consumer. The packaging process starts with quality checks to ensure each wipe meets the highest standards. Machines count the wipes and neatly fold them. These machines are highly efficient, capable of folding hundreds of wipes per minute with precision. This ensures that each package contains the exact number of wipes promised on the label. Then they're placed in those handy plastic tubs or pouches we all know and love. These containers are designed not just for convenience, but also to maintain the integrity of the wipes. The choice between tubs and pouches often depends on consumer preference and usage scenarios. These containers are designed to keep the wipes moist and prevent contamination. The final step, labels. Sealing the containers is a critical step to ensure no moisture escapes and no contaminants get in. Each package gets labeled with important information like the ingredients and expiration date. This labeling process is automated to ensure accuracy and consistency. The labels provide consumers with all the necessary information to make informed choices and ensure the product's safety and efficacy. bringing cleanliness home, distribution, and the importance of baby wipes. From the factory, the wipes are shipped to stores everywhere, ready to be purchased by parents and caregivers. Baby wipes are more than just a convenience. They're essential for maintaining good hygiene. They help prevent diaper rash, clean messy hands, and can even be used for quick cleanups on the go.